Dear friends, in class 7 we are studying 10th lesson practical geometry. And next point is constructing a right angle triangle when the length of one leg and its hypotenuse are given. Please note the perpendicular sides are called as legs and the side opposite to 90 degree is called as hypotenuse. So if we are given length of one of the perpendicular side and the hypotenuse, that is the side opposite to 90 degree, how to construct a triangle. So that we are going to study. Here construct triangle, we are going to understand this topic with the help of an example. Example number 4. Construct triangle LMN right angled at M. Given that LN is 5 centimeter and MN is 3 centimeter. So try to understand this. We are given a triangle LMN at right angled at M. So this angle is M. Then MN is 3 centimeters. This side is 3 centimeters. Triangle's name is LMNN and LN is 5 centimeters. So let us see how we can construct this. For this, we need to draw a segment of 3 centimeters first. So for this, take a scale, mark a point 3 centimeter, that is 0 and 3 centimeters. So please note, here we will need an extra segment. In order to draw the perpendicular, we need to extend this. Here the point M is here and point N is here. The distance between M and N is 3 centimeters. Now next is we have to draw perpendicular at M. So to draw perpendicular at M, make two arcs. One to the left side, other to the right side. From this point itself, by increasing the distance on the compass, make two arcs. Please note where I am keeping the compass. Compass is kept at the arcs, intersection of the arc and the line. Now draw a perpendicular segment. Even if you are making two arcs to one side, still you will be able to construct a perpendicular because point is already taken. But we can verify by making the two arcs, one upside and one downside, whether our segment is perpendicular or not. Now draw a perpendicular segment. Please check whether your pencil touches the intersection of the arc or not. This is a perpendicular segment. It means this angle is 90 degrees. Now next is we have to construct LN 5 centimeters. For this, take a compass. On compass, watch carefully. Keep the pointer at 5 centimeter and check whether your pencil touches exactly at the 0 mark. So this distance is 5 centimeter. Now watch carefully. I am keeping compass at N and making an arc which will intersect the perpendicular segment. Please note, we have got an L point. Join this L to the N. So we have got Ln is equal to 5 centimeters. So this distance is 5 centimeters. Ln is 5 centimeters and Mn is 3 centimeters with perpendicular at point M. Dear friends, we are constructing a right angle triangle when one of the leg, that is a perpendicular side, and the hypotenuse is given. And to understand the same concept, we are trying to understand the same concept with the help of some more problems. In exercise 10.5, we have first question. Construct the right angle triangle PQR. This time we have to construct triangle PQR in which PR is 10 centimeter and QR is 8 centimeter. So for this, please note the rough diagram. Angle Q is 90 degrees. So this must be Q, the R and P. So we are given QR as 8 centimeters. Please note this time PR is given to us as 10 centimeters. So how to construct this triangle? For this, we are going to construct QR 8 centimeters. For this, mark the point at 0 and 8 centimeters. Now we need some extra segment. So draw this, mark these points as Q and R. Q and R. Now draw a perpendicular at point Q. So to draw perpendicular at Q, make two arcs on either side of the point Q. Please note this distance can be any. Now in order to draw perpendicular, I am extending the distance between pencil and the pointer of the compass. By extending, make one arc upside, one arc downside. Again keep the compass at another arc. And intersect the earlier arcs. By drawing the segment, we can check whether it is passing through the point Q or not. It must pass through the point Q, then and then only it is perpendicular. Please note, I am checking whether my pencil touches the intersection of the arc, the point Q, and the intersection of the other arc. So with the help of scale, join these points. Now we have got a perpendicular at point Q. So this angle must be 90 degrees. Now we have to construct segment PR. We have to construct segment PR is equal to 10 centimeter. For this, take 10 centimeter on the compass. So to take 10 centimeter, I am keeping the compass at 10 and checking whether pencil touches the 0 mark or not. So for this, extend the compass distance between the pencil and the compass. Check whether it exactly touches. Now it has extended more, so adjust it and check, verify whether it exactly touches the 0 or not. This is 10 centimeters. So keep the compass at R point and make an arc which will intersect the perpendicular segment. Now this point is P point. Join P and R. Please note QR, this point is Q. QR we have drawn 8 centimeters and PR is 10 centimeters. So in this way, we can construct a triangle PQR in which angle Q is 90 degrees, QR is 8 centimeters and PR is 10 centimeters. Dear friends, we are trying to understand how to construct a right angle triangle when the length of one leg and hypotenuse is given. With the help of second example, we are given a question something like this. Construct a right angle triangle whose hypotenuse is 6 centimeter. Please note, hypotenuse is given to us as 6 centimeter. Hypotenuse is a side which is opposite to right angle and one of the leg is 4 centimeter. So I will take this 4 centimeter leg downside, means I am going to consider triangle something like this. Hypotenuse means side opposite to 90 degree. We are given this hypotenuse as 6 centimeter and one of the legs. So in order to construct, I need one of the leg that is at the bottom. So this distance is given to us as 4 centimeters. So in order to do this, I will give some name to this x, y, z. So I am going to construct triangle x, y, z in which yz is equal to 4 centimeters and xz, that is the hypotenuse, is equal to 6 centimeters. So let's see how it can be constructed. So first we need to draw a segment of 4 centimeters. For this, make a point at 0 and another point at 4 centimeters. With the help of scale, join the points. Please note we need some extra segment, so I am extending it further because we need to draw perpendicular to this. So point Y is here, point Z is here. The distance between Y and Z is 4 centimeters. Now we have to draw perpendicular at point Y. So in order to construct perpendicular, keep the compass at point Y. Make two arcs, one to the left, the other to the right. Now increase the distance on the compass. Make two arcs from the earlier arcs. So here we will get one arc upside, one arc downside. From the another arc which we have drawn earlier, again we are making two arcs which will intersect the earlier arcs. So draw a perpendicular from point Y and the intersection of the arcs. Please check whether your pencil touches it or not. Keep scale accordingly. Verify whether it touches the same points or not. If it is not touching, then adjust it. Draw a perpendicular. So this is a perpendicular through the point Y. Now we are given xz is equal to 6 centimeter. So to draw 6 centimeter, take 6 centimeter on the compass. Keep the pointer at 6 and verify whether your pencil touches the 0 mark or not. So after keeping the pencil at Z, make an arc which will intersect the perpendicular. This point, intersection point, is X. Now join the point X and Z. So this is a triangle X, Y, Z. Y I have written here. Again I am writing it. Y is not seen clearly. So Y point is here. Y, Z and X. This is a triangle with a right angle at point or vertex Y. This angle is 90 degrees. Dear friends, we are trying to understand how to construct a right angle triangle when length of one leg, that is a segment of perpendicular side and a hypotenuse, are given. But this time we are asked a different question. We have to construct an isosceles right angle triangle ABC. So try to understand. We are asked to construct a triangle ABC in which angle ACC is 90 degrees. So here I will construct the other way. I will construct in this way. Just for a change, a right angle is taken at C vertex. So this angle is C, 90 degrees, and we are given AC is equal to 6 centimeters. AC ABC. This is a triangle ABC in which angle ACB means this angle is right angle, and AC is equal to 6 centimeters. Please note, AB becomes the hypotenuse, that is the side opposite to right angle is hypotenuse, and hypotenuse is always the largest segment, or it is the largest side in a right angle triangle. So it means, since we are told to construct isosceles right angle triangle, here AC must be equal to BC. So if AC is equal to 6 centimeter, it means BC is also equal to 6 centimeter. Now see how to construct a right angle triangle ABC in which angle C is right angle. So for this, construct a segment 6 centimeters. So for this, make a point at 0 and 6. Then draw a segment passing through these 2 points. Give them the names A and C. Now with the help of compass, please note we have to construct perpendicular at segment C, at point C. So make an arc which will intersect the vertex C. Which will intersect the earlier segment from vertex C. Now increase the distance, draw the perpendicular. In order to draw the perpendicular at C, we are making one arc upside, one arc downside. Even if you draw only to upside, still we will get a right angle because we have started from point C. Now check whether all these are collinear points. Intersection of the arc, the second intersection of the arc, and the point C. Draw a segment. Draw a line passing through these points. This angle is 90 degrees. This time we are not given hypotenuse. Please note, we are given BC is equal to 6 centimeter. AC is also 6 centimeter and BC is also 6 centimeters. So we have to construct an isosceles triangle 6 centimeter. We have already drawn this distance as 6 centimeters. Check whether it is touching or not. Or you can, with the help of scale also, you can take this AC is equal to 6 centimeters and make an arc. This time please note, I am keeping a compass at point C and making an arc upside. Join this intersection of the arc and point A. This point is B point. BC is also 6 centimeters and AC is also 6 centimeters. Please note, AB becomes hypotenuse and hypotenuse is always the largest side. It means BC must be equal to AC. So we have constructed triangle, right angle triangle, which is an isosceles triangle. Means two sides are equal. Here AC is equal to BC. AC is equal to BC and angle C is equal to 90 degrees. Angle C is nothing but angle ACB. Angle ACB is 90 degrees. So we can say angle C is 90 degrees. In this way, we can construct a right angle triangle if two lengths are given, length of the two legs is given. Then also we are able to construct a right angled triangle.